pregnant at 14. Emma is 14 years old. She sits on her bed and holds her big belly. She is 8 months pregnant. She still has toys in her room. Her school bag is on the floor, but now her room also has baby clothes and a baby bed. She is still a child, but soon she will become a mother. At school, things have changed. Some students talk behind her back. Some stare at her. Even her close friends don't call or text her anymore. They don't know what to say. Emma feels alone. The teachers look at her with sad faces. They don't ask questions, but she can feel their worry. They treat her differently now. At home, her parents don't smile much. They love her, but they are sad and quiet. Sometimes her mom cries when she thinks Emma isn't looking. Her dad sits in his chair and doesn't talk much. Emma also cries sometimes, but only at night. She holds her belly and talks to her baby. She tells the baby she's scared, but she will try her best. She says, "We will be okay. I will love you always." People in the neighborhood whisper when they see her. Some look at her with angry eyes, but one woman gave her a baby toy. A teacher brought her a book about babies. Not everyone is mean. Emma's body is tired. Her back hurts. Her feet hurt. She misses going to school and laughing with friends. She misses playing outside and going to the park. Now she goes to the doctor every week. She learns how to care for a baby. She watches videos and reads simple books. She wants to be ready. She doesn't know what the future will be like. She doesn't know if people will accept her, but she hopes her baby will be healthy and happy. She wants to be a good mother, even if she is still young. Emma is scared, but she is also strong. Even when she feels like crying, she knows she has to keep going. For her baby, for herself. First cry. The day Emma waits for finally arrives. She's in the hospital, surrounded by the beeping of machines and the busy sounds of doctors and nurses. Emma is scared, but she knows that her baby is coming soon. The pain is stronger than anything she has ever felt. She grips her mom's hand tightly, feeling the fear in her chest. But her mom whispers to her, "You're strong, Emma. You can do this." Those words make Emma feel a little better. She takes deep breaths, trying to stay calm even though the pain keeps coming. After what feels like hours, Emma finally hears the soft cry of her baby. The nurses quickly place the tiny, crying baby in Emma's arms. It's a girl. Emma's eyes fill with tears as she looks down at her baby. She's so small, so perfect. Emma whispers, "I love you." It is an overwhelming feeling, one that Emma has never experienced before. Holding her baby is the most beautiful thing she has ever done. She doesn't care about the challenges ahead. She knows that no matter how hard things get, she will always love her baby and take care of her. The first days at home. The first few days at home are tough. Emma is still very young, and taking care of her baby is harder than she imagined. She wakes up many times during the night to feed her baby, sometimes more than once. She's tired, but she never gives up. Every time she looks into her baby's eyes, she feels a new strength inside her. This tiny little girl needs her, and Emma is going to do her best to be a good mom. Emma's return to school. The first time Emma goes back to school after her baby is born, it is hard. People stare at her as she walks down the hallway, carrying her school bag and pushing a stroller with her baby. Some students whisper and point, but Emma doesn't care. She holds her head up high. She is determined to finish school. She is determined to be a good mom and a good student, even if people don't understand. Her teachers are kind, but they treat her differently now. They often ask how she is doing, and Emma can see the concern in their eyes. Some of her classmates try to talk to her, but it isn't the same. Many of them don't know what to say or how to act. But Emma doesn't let it bother her. She focuses on her baby and her studies. She stays up late at night, taking care of her baby and doing her homework. Sometimes she asks her mom for help, but she always does her best. It isn't easy, but Emma never gives up. She learns how to balance being a mom and a student. She takes care of her baby, feeds her, and makes sure she's happy and healthy. When her baby smiles, it makes all the hard work worth it. Every little laugh and every hug from her baby makes Emma feel proud. She feels like she's doing something important. Emma's parents slowly start to understand. They are still worried, but they see how hard Emma works. They see how much she loves her baby, and they begin to support her more. Her mom helps watch the baby when Emma needs to study or rest. Emma's dad is quiet, but he gives her kind words when she feels tired or unsure. As time goes on, Emma grows stronger. She becomes more confident in herself and in her role as a mom. She learns how to face the problems that come with being a young mother. Some days are harder than others, but she keeps going. She knows she's doing her best. One evening, while Emma feeds her baby and looks out the window, she thinks about how far she has come. She's still just a girl, but she's now much stronger. She learns how to care for another life. She learns to put someone else first. And the most important thing, she learns to never give up, even when life feels very hard. Emma's baby grows, and so does Emma. She faces many hard days, but each one helps her grow. Every day brings something new, but Emma is ready. She knows that no matter what happens, she always has her baby to love, and that love gives her the strength to keep going. This chapter of Emma's life is not easy, but it is full of love, learning, and hope. Emma learns that even when life is hard, she can find a way forward. She is a young mother, but she's also a fighter. With her baby by her side, she knows no problem is too big.